Hello and welcome back to my channel. Walter, my dog is unsettled right now, so you'll probably hear him walking around. Happy summer! I am so excited to be sitting down and doing this video because summer is here and we are going to be going on vacation very soon. I actually put in an Amazon order for some travel essentials or just like things that I need for the summer. And then we also got an Aerie order that I want to show you. So today is just going to be like summer things haul. Let's get into it. Also, so today's drink of choice is the bubbly orange cream. I think that's the French, whatever, you get it, orange cream. So delicious. I will be very sad when they stop stocking this on shelves. It's a summer special, but they should keep it all year. Aerie had a big sale. The other day we were at the mall and I saw these really cute baby blue pajamas and I picked them up. I wore them like every night and Andrew was like, we've got to get 2 more. So he ordered me a few more pairs, which was such a sweet surprise. He did that all by himself. So let's look. Oh my goodness, gonna be a lot of bag wrinkling. Okay, it's this Modal material. So my original pair was baby blue. This is like white floral. I love this. It's kind of very like airy. This is a size medium, airy, ha ha ha. I could have sized to a small, but I don't want the waistband to be anywhere near tight when I sleep. I want to be as comfortable as possible. This is called, wow, they don't even have the name on here. I will link everything. Yeah, there's no order in here. I will link everything down below, but these are the shorts. Seriously, so incredibly soft. I want to throw out all my other pajamas. These are the one and only. Top, oh, it's the tank. I got the t-shirt, but this is the tank. That's really cute. Be very nice. Ooh, I love gray. Here's the same set in gray. Here is the tank. Oh, another gray item. The t-shirt, which is also very cute and very nice. It's like, I don't know if you can see the like ribbing material. These were on sale. I don't know if they still are, but they're originally, like, Aerie is not cheap. They were originally $40 like for the shirt, but I think it was one of those things where it was like 40% off, or I don't know, 50% off. Black t-shirt, black tank, black shorts, and I feel one more thing in here. So this is amazing. Honestly, this is such a cute t-shirt. I would just wear this. It is lovely. If you are in need of new PJs for the summer, don't hesitate. Run, don't walk. When he finds something that he likes, he becomes a collector. He wants all the colors. He finds a pair of shoes he likes. He buys all the colors. T-shirts, all the colors. So anyways, it's cute. If you watch my favorites video, summer favorites, things that I'm obsessed with, you'll know barrel jeans is like the #1 on the list. And I actually went to Free People and I picked up the overall version. Let me show you. If I can go back here. These are super adorable. I'm gonna be wearing these all summer, I mean, and all year. But I think for me, because my hips are the largest part of my body, just the way that barrel jeans are shaped, to me, is a very flattering cut for my body type. And it's also so comfortable. I have a pair of Levi overalls and they're cute, oops, and they are cute, but I don't find them to be the most flattering or the most comfortable. So I was over the moon when I saw these Free People overalls. The only negative, well, one is the price. They're not cheap. These were $223. But for me, like, jeans is always the hardest piece of clothing for me to find, even with my weight loss journey, all that stuff. So I kind of don't really care about the cost of jeans because it's so rare that I find. Tops, I have a price threshold because it's really easy to find a top for me. Jeans, not so much. Okay, that's all like the fun clothing things. Let's get into some of these Amazon packages that I have gotten. Let's do this one right here. Okay, so this was kind of like a fever dream order. I was like, oh my gosh, we're going away really soon. I need all these things. And we have a couple trips planned this whole summer. So if I get it now, I don't have to get it later. That was my mindset. Oh my gosh, this is funny. This wasn't even meant to include. Just for men. I have really very blonde and unruly eyebrows. They grow straight up. It has taken a lot of years and a lot of skill to make my eyebrows look like this. But on days where I don't wear makeup, it's very drastic. So I might try this just to help. The goal for me would be to have tinted brows that have color. They're obviously not this thick because I fill them in, but have something I can put a little clear brow gel in and be good to go for the day. I don't have to do a full brow. That is what I'm looking for. So we're gonna try this out. Maybe I'll make a video about that because it could go amazing. It could go terribly wrong. Let me know if you wanna see that. Ooh, oh, interesting. Where's that other Amazon package? Okay, I think I'm missing some things, but this is silicone makeup brush travel case. And you stick your brushes in here. And what I liked about it is you actually can flip this over and it stands up and your brushes can be like free. And so you can grab it. It is a lot smaller than I thought, but it's not the end of the world. It's a much better silicone case than I had before. I had these very thin ones that weren't my favorite. So I probably will not return this. I will use this. It's got a flat bottom, so it will stand on your counter, which I do like. I know what I'm missing. And then a little mini TheraBreath because I love this one. I like the pink one, but they didn't have a mini of that in store or on Amazon. Honestly, in Canada, Shoppers Drug Mart, which is like our CVS slash, I don't know, or what do you guys have? CVS and Walgreens, that's what I'm thinking of, is so freaking expensive. And so I knew I needed a bunch of random things. I've never done this before, but I decided to look on Amazon. I know you're probably thinking, why haven't you done this before? I just like the convenience of like being able to be like, I need deodorant and just go to the store and buy it. But when deodorant is like $2, maybe even $3 cheaper on Amazon, I can wait the extra day. First off, we have the giant pack of organic cotton rounds to remove makeup. We also use these for Walter to apply any medicinal lotions and clean all of his folds. So him and I go through these quite quickly. So I got a big pack. I got Maxidol for cramps. I've never heard of this. This is Modal, which I also really like, but this is naproxen. It's supposed to be good for really bad cramps when you're at like that one day where you have unbearable cramps. Excited to try that. I think this would be good for traveling. I don't know why I bought 2 of these, but we needed some of these floss picks. Gotta bring those with you. L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is my absolute favorite. Believe this was like $14 on Amazon. It is like $17 to $19.99 at Shoppers Drug Mart. So the fact that I was able to get this on, well, cheaper is a win. Oh, I don't know if I've said this. I think I did, but Walter is mostly blind now, unfortunately. And the other day he walked into a corner of a table and like gashed the side of his head. He actually just scratched the scab and it's all like bleeding. It's quite a big like little, anyways, long story short, this is good to have. These are edge corner pieces for your tables. And we're gonna put this outside. We think he did it outside on the coffee table that we have out there. Put these outside, put these inside. They're good to have. I'll bring these, I'll give some of these to my sister. Like there's a bunch in here. I have nieces around, so it's like, it's good. Then I got like 100, no, there's more than 100, 200 bobby pins because I was completely out. Then, oh, I'm super excited about these. But this would be cute for little summer hairstyles. This is a pack of mini hair claw clips. There's clear, brown, and black. Maybe I'll give my sister the black ones, but I thought this would be cute to do like, kind of like how the butterfly things, clips back in the day. Lizzie McGuire, my style icon. I mean, that looks cute on its own. I don't know, am I too old? Who knows? It's cute. Along the lines of summer, deodorant, this is my favorite because it's the no black marks, or no, it's supposed to be like no show on black clothes. I do wear a lot of black, so I do find it does give a little bit of residue, but it's better than just like a regular deodorant. And then I picked up this. This is SPF 50 Hydra Boost Lotion. This is just gonna be for like every day. Put on my, oh my gosh, that smells so good. It's blue. I gotta get my nails done. Ooh, it is very hydrating. Ooh, I'm most excited for this. These are, I know I'm late, but I don't think they came to Canada for a long time. This is the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels. I didn't realize there was 2 packs. I thought it was 1. But it is the travel size, I think, of the face towels. I don't know what size these are. I guess I could have used these instead of the little cotton rounds. It doesn't matter. It's good to have both. But I'm really excited. This is small enough that I can just easily throw it in my suitcase. And then last is this hair tool travel bag plus mat. Let's open this up. Ooh, it's much bigger than I thought. This is huge. Like, look how big that is. But I did see people use it for their Dyson Air Wraps. The quality feels nice. So this part becomes a heat-proof mat to put your curling iron, to rest your curling iron on, which is nice if you are doing your makeup anywhere other than like a bathroom that has a good amount of counter space. And then this pouch is where you can put your hair tools. It is a lot bigger than I thought, but I guess that's not a bad thing. And you know what? At the end of the day, it's still better than just throwing all of my hair tools into my suitcase willy-nilly and them floating around everywhere. So I think I'm gonna keep it. It was a little pricey, in my opinion, but probably worth it. Anyways, cute. I have a little Sephora order coming. It hasn't arrived. It's like some setting spray, Cinema Secrets, brush cleanser, and some face stuff. That's it for this summer haul. I'm sure there's gonna be more summer hauls. Maybe I should go and no more spending this summer haul. Anyways, I'm having fun. I'm super excited about this summer. I'm so excited to go on vacation and just have a wonderful time soaking up the sun, because in Canada we do not get a lot of sun. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I will have as many products as I can linked down below. Let me know what you think. I hope that you enjoy. I will see you again for another video. Bye.